Hi, welcome to the Albert's Garage. Today we're gonna work on the Superduke 1290 15. We work on the clutch and we're gonna change it out. What we need is the clutch replacement, which part number is this one. And the springs, if you find them out of specs, you can change them out with the orange one. They were introduced in 2017, I think, for the new Superduke, and they are a little bit, the strength is a little bit higher than the 2015. Okay, let's start from the clutch cover. We're gonna remove it. We need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts with the 10mm key. Once the cover is out, we need to remove the clutch pressure cap and unscrew the 3 bolts that keep in place the springs. Once the pressure cap is out, we can start to remove all the discs, taking care of put them down in the exact sequence they are in, just to be sure when we remount everything will be in the perfect sequence. Okay, we're back. Sorry for the camera off, but the battery was down. So, okay, we took out all the discs, and now we're gonna check what is gonna be the next step to put them together. I downloaded from the manual the exact sequence, so I'm gonna have a look in a second. Okay, well, I just got the sequence from the repair manual, and that's the old set, and that's the new set. put in the same sequence of the old set. As I take every disc out, I just put in the right place together, so I know that the right sequence is going to be correct. Okay, next we're going to insert all the discs in the right sequence. Okay. Next step is collect all the discs all together in the right sequence. Because we need to get some oil. Okay, we put the discs in the... Okay, we put them together and we add some oil. It would be better to use the same oil as you have inside your bike. So cover oil them. Okay, top. Okay, now we start to get them back in the right place. Okay, there is a part of this disc that looks smoother on the edge, so we're going to have it inside. Okay, this is going to be the first one. Just go put it there. Then we have the second one. Be sure it's oily. That is I don't know if you see the shape. Okay, this part goes outside. And you push in, you shoot it in. Check always with the other one. Okay, then we start to put the discs. And we start with the first one. Be sure it is right, it's well oiled. Okay, with the first one, you push to the bottom. Then let me have a look to the... Okay, and all this, it looks like there is a smoother side of the disc. Then you need to, okay, this one, to keep it in the smoother part, because so. Just remember there are two types of discs. One with a smaller inside diameter and a bigger inside, larger inside diameter. Use the one with the larger inside diameter as the first disc to insert. Get in, be sure it's well oiled. Looks easy, but yes, not. Okay, add in. Next one, smoother side inside. Okay, go to the next. And going. Okay, smoother side inside. Add in. Let's make it a better position. Okay. Smoother side inside. Side inside.
Just remember to use two clutch facing discs as the last two discs with an intermediate clutch disc.
Sorry, I forgot to start up the camera. Anyway, I finished to insert all the discs, and I put the clutch cover plus the springs. I replaced the spring with a new one that are the orange one, a little bit stronger, used on the Superduke GT. And now I'm gonna tighten it. First, one by one. Okay, got the torque wrench. I'm gonna set it to 12 Newton meter. And the torque for this is 10 Newton meter.